Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to report a listing on Zillow in 2026. If you ever find a fake, incorrect, or suspicious listing, this is the proper way to report it. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open Zillow on your browser or mobile app and search for the listing you want to report. Once you find it, click on the property to open the full details page. This is where all the listing information is shown. Now scroll down slowly until you find the section or menu with more options. On most listings, you'll see a three-dot menu or a report listing option. Click on it. After that, Zillow will show you different reasons for reporting. You can choose options like scam, incorrect information, duplicate listing, or something else that fits the issue. Next, you may be asked to add a short description. Just explain the problem clearly, like why you think the listing is suspicious or inaccurate. Keep it simple and straight to the point. Once you submit it, Zillow will review the report. You don't need to do anything else after that. Their team will check the listing and take action if needed. And that's it. You've successfully reported a listing on Zillow. It's a quick process, but really important for keeping the platform safe and accurate. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.